So this is an audio test of the Insta360 Ace Pro, and I'm also testing out how it is in general for vlogging. Because I'm able to see my face in this big flip-up display, it is really great for making sure that I'm framed just right. And we're also testing out face priority exposure mode, so it's obvious I can see it tracking my face, so it's always exposing my face consistently and brightly, even though I've got the sun right behind me there in the sky. And the HDR is actually handling the high contrast of the scene very nicely. So all in all, I say this is an excellent camera for vlogging, as I'll be interested to see how the microphones perform here. Let me know what you think of how this camera does in terms of audio recording capability in the comments below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!